Today I'm going to make Viennese cottage cheese waffles. We will need 570 grams of 5% cottage cheese, 5 eggs, 10 tablespoons of flour, 5 tablespoons of sugar. Sift the flour. Mix all the ingredients in one container until smooth. It is better to use a blender so that there are no white grains in the waffles. We take out the waffle iron and prepare it for operation. Lubricate the waffle iron with oil. Next, bake the resulting mixture in a waffle iron. The waffles are ready. You can serve waffles with syrup to suit your taste. I use ground raspberries with sugar as a syrup. Pour the syrup over the waffles, and you can put berries on top. Enjoy your meal.